Tense ba face? Never. Tension only on your calves. Okay? Okay lang kayo dyan? Luzon, narinig niyo ba ang ginagawa namin dito? Narinig naman? Okay, thank you. Okay. Boys, ready? Okay. Oh, it's powerful of voice.